Hello students, Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today you will be learning about how to create different shape smileys in MS Paint. So today it is MS Paint tutorial on different shape smileys. So all you need to do is go to start, click on start and go to MS Paint. You'll get a new page. Now what you need to do is, we are drawing different shapes. So now all you need to do is take the shapes. First just normal smiley. For the normal smiley you're going to take an oval, then a triangle, then you can have is a rectangle or a square, then you can have a diamond, then you can have a star, then you can have a star, a polygon, pentagon, then you can have heart, the heart shape, and then you can have the cloud. So you can select the shapes which you want. And now drawing the eyes, you can just go for the oval and draw the eyes for each shape. So basically this tutorial is for the beginners. So here you can draw the eyes. It's for the beginners and the kids. It's for the beginners and the kids. So here what you need to do is, first take the oval and draw the eyes. And now we are going to draw the smile. Take the curve tool. You have to be careful with the curve tool. Look. So once you draw the curve tool, all you need to do is just you can right click. Okay, now just go back to the curve tool and then draw again the next one, and then the next one. Go back, click on the curve tool. Look. So you have to be careful while using the curve tool. So here you can then draw. This tutorial is for the students to get precision while controlling the mouse, the hand precision while using the mouse. So this way they learn the coordination and the control and the precision while using the mouse. Laptops have got inbuilt mouse, so while using the mouse on the laptop also they get the precision while working. So here, after you draw, you can fill in color So wow, your smileys are ready now. Now we need to color them. Let us add different colors. Of course, the heart is red, and then the smiley you can give yellow. For the triangle, you can give purple. For the square, you can go for green. For the diamond, you can go for pink. And for the star, you can again you can just go for the yellow color again, and then for pentagon, go for blue. Okay, for the cloud, you can take the light. So that's all for today. Okay, you can also add a background color. That's it. You can add the background color and save your work. Go to your folder. When you have a folder, you can keep all the files at one place. So better you create a folder. In one of my tutorials, I have told you how to create a folder to keep all the files at one place. So this one is different shape smiley. Save it. And now close it. Thank you.